Imagine walking into a small living room that instantly feels luxurious, calm, and expensive. The space isn't huge, but it feels refined, polished, and thoughtfully designed. The truth is, luxury is not about size. It's about intention, details, and smart choices. Today, we're uncovering designer secrets that can make your small living room look 10 times more expensive without needing a massive budget or a complete renovation. Luxury always begins with clarity. One of the biggest mistakes in small spaces is visual clutter. When too many items compete for attention, the room instantly feels cheaper and smaller. High-end designers focus on editing. They remove unnecessary decor and keep only pieces that add beauty or function. When you step back and allow your room to breathe, the entire atmosphere changes. It starts to feel calm, elevated, and purposeful. Another powerful secret is color harmony. Expensive spaces rarely use too many random colors. Instead, they rely on a cohesive palette. Soft neutrals, warm whites, taupe, beige, muted gray, and earthy tones create a timeless and sophisticated base. These shades reflect light and make a small space feel open. Once the base is neutral, you can add depth with darker accents like charcoal, navy, or deep green. This contrast creates dimension and instantly adds richness. Lighting is one of the fastest ways to transform a small living room. Many homes rely only on a single ceiling light, which creates flat and uninviting spaces. Luxury interiors always layer lighting. A mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting adds warmth and drama. A stylish floor lamp in one corner, a soft table lamp on a console, and warm indirect lighting can completely change the mood. Warm lighting makes everything feel more expensive and welcoming. Texture is another key ingredient. When a room has only smooth or flat surfaces, it feels boring. Designers bring in layers through fabrics and materials. Think velvet cushions, soft throws, woven rugs, linen curtains, and matte ceramics. Mixing textures creates depth and visual interest. Even in neutral tones, texture makes the space feel rich and luxurious. Furniture scale and placement can make or break a small room. Oversized furniture can overwhelm the space, but tiny furniture can also make it look cheap. The goal is balance. Choose pieces that fit the room but still feel substantial. One well-designed sofa can elevate the entire look. Floating furniture slightly away from the walls also creates a sense of openness and intentional design. The layout itself is often the hidden luxury secret. Instead of pushing everything against the walls, create zones. A defined seating area with a rug, a reading corner, or a small accent chair can make the room feel curated. This designer approach makes even a compact living room look sophisticated and structured. Wall treatments are another game changer. Plain, empty walls can make a room feel unfinished, but overcrowded walls can feel chaotic. High-end spaces often use large-scale art or one-statement wall. A single oversized artwork, a gallery wall with consistent frames, or subtle paneling can add elegance and height. Vertical lines also make the room appear taller. Curtains are often underestimated. Short or poorly placed curtains can instantly cheapen a space. Designers always hang curtains higher and wider than the windows. This simple trick makes ceilings look taller and windows look larger. Choosing full-length soft fabrics in neutral tones adds softness and luxury. Mirrors are another powerful trick. They reflect light, create depth, and make the room feel larger. A well-placed mirror opposite a window can double the brightness. When framed in metallic, wood, or minimal styles, mirrors also become decorative focal points. Storage is essential in small spaces. Clutter destroys luxury. Hidden storage, stylish baskets, and multifunctional furniture keep the room clean and organized. When surfaces are clear, the room automatically looks high-end. Small details make the biggest difference. Decorative trays, coffee table books, fresh flowers, candles, and sculptural objects add personality. But the key is restraint. A few beautiful items always look more expensive than many random ones. Another secret is incorporating natural elements. Wood, stone, greenery, and organic textures bring warmth and life. Even a single large plant can make the room feel fresh and designer-approved. Nature softens the space and adds a timeless quality. Consistency throughout the space is also important. Luxury rooms feel connected. The colors, materials, and finishes speak the same language. When everything works together, the result feels intentional and elevated. Technology and modern touches can also enhance the experience. Clean cable management, hidden wires, and sleek accessories create a polished look. A modern smart lighting system or minimal media setup can make the room feel future-ready. Most importantly, confidence in your choices is what creates luxury. Expensive interiors are not about copying trends. They are about creating a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. When you design with intention, your home feels authentic and refined. Even the smallest living room can feel like a high-end designer space when you focus on simplicity, balance, and thoughtful details. Luxury is not about how much you spend. It's about how well you curate your space. Imagine your small living room becoming a place where every detail feels calm, beautiful, and elevated. A space that impresses guests, but more importantly, makes you feel proud and relaxed every single day. If you start applying even a few of these designer secrets, you'll notice a transformation almost immediately. And once you experience the power of intentional design, you'll never look at small spaces the same way again. Because true luxury isn't about size. It's about feeling.